Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi and welcome back. Hello to you all. I'm Jess, I'm 35 from Melbourne and I am a self-proclaimed makeup hoarder and I love it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel. We do lifestyle, makeup, beauty, mostly drugstore and affordable because that's my vibe. If you like that kind of thing, stick around. That's my quail going on in the background. Today's video I'm actually quite excited to do. It's a review on the Youthphoria magnetic lashes. Picked these up recently. They look absolutely beautiful and you guys know I'm not particularly a lash gal, but these guys might convert me. So you get the little eyelashes in this compact. How beautiful do they look? And these are in the style Mulan. They look super fluffy, super pretty. I'm really going out grocery shopping this afternoon and I'm going to be looking glam AF, hopefully. But the packet comes with a little applicator. Very handy. The magneto eyeliner. I already love the packaging. I particularly love the little compact that it comes in. I think that's really handy, especially that it comes with a little mirror. So the eyeliner is black. That's the only shade that they have at the moment, I do believe. I've never used a magnetic lash set before. All right, let's try this, shall we? That's what my eyelashes look like currently. They're not bad. They're long, but they're thin. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the magneto eyeliner. Okay, that's apparently it doesn't matter if you get it messy because the lashes are going to cover it up anyway. Alright, you guys know I'm not particularly good at eyeliner in general. I think that's not too bad. And also with eyelashes, these are meant to be, in quote, life-changing. I'm hoping that they're going to be easy because as an eyelash noob, I will be saying how I go with my experience. It's actually really quite hard popping on them with filming. Alright. This is my first ever go. They feel quite secure on, which is good because every time I've tried doing a lash glue, they always want to pop off. Just need a closer look at that to see how I'm going. Alright, that actually went on really easily. I think it's best to go from the top like that rather than on like that because they literally just popped on. They look really pretty. I'm gonna do the other side. I think my application of them is okay. I've gotten as close as I could to the lash line and I will be doing a little bit of mascara to blend them into my actual lashes a little bit better. I'm gonna try and do the other eye still on camera because I don't know if that was just a fluke or not. I do like how pigmented the eyeliner is. It's actually quite a fluid one. Alright, I got that one on. Oh wow. You see the full effect with them on, don't you? They're actually really pretty. They feel quite light. They are actually easier to me, I think, than fussing around with glue. I use either way too much glue or way too little glue, and it just never goes to plan, and I get frustrated, and then I'm like, nah, can't deal. I've actually got both lashes on. Now I'm gonna add a quick bit of mascara and blend it in. They actually feel really well attached. They don't feel, because normally when I do glue lashes, they feel like they're just gonna flop off. I'm actually really surprised at how easy that was. They look really pretty. The Mulan is actually a cat eye shape, so it's going to wing out the actual eye, I suppose. So they're short in the inner and they go out longer. They are 5mm to 13mm in length. They're really pretty, and they feel super light and comfortable on. They don't feel at all irritating. What I really love about these lashes too is that I've used eyelash curlers in the past, and they don't actually, my lashes don't seem to hold the curl naturally whatever I do with lash curlers, and this style in particular gives me the lift and curl that I want, so that you can actually see that I've got decent lashes. So very happy. I was a little bit skeptical about the liner actually working because I do prefer a felt tip style. However, this is obviously like the little dip pot ones, like the brush on pen, I don't know what you call that style. But it's very pigmented, very fluid, glides on quite easily. I got the hang of it with the second dye. I think it looked a little bit better on application. So I think with a bit of playing around with actually getting my, what do you call it, my hand not to be so shaky when I'm applying it, I think that would really go well. I like the packaging. Packaging is beautiful with all the products that I have played with today. Look, they just do a really good job. Like, it looks so professional, put together. There's 6 magnets in these styles in particular, so they feel quite secure. You can trim them to suit your eye shape as well. I am just so impressed with how easy they came on. They are $39. I believe that the applicator's separate, but obviously you could use any type of applicator. But I do think the tip of putting the applicator more up rather than like that definitely helped make it apply easier. Now the glasses test, because I do wear glasses, I'm going to see, because most lashes, if I do put them on, they hit the glass, and I don't like wearing them like that because I kind of feel like they're going to irritate my eye more. They actually don't hit the glass at all, which is really good. And you can still see them through the glasses. They look really cute and really pretty. I also think these are going to be great for smaller eyes, even though they're a dramatic lash. I think for my eyes, they're quite comfortable and they actually accentuate the look of them. I even have the hooded eyes, so I think they're quite suited for hooded and smaller eyes. They make them look more almond shape and just generally a bit more awake. So I think this has been Noob Lash Wear approved. I'm actually really surprised. They feel so light, you can't even really feel them. Other lashes that I have done, they feel a bit heavy and they weigh the lid down, but these are so light and comfy. The magnets are actually 50% times smaller than other magnets on different magnetic lashes in other companies. So I think that's where the genius of this style of lash is. And Youthphoria do have heaps of different styles, so if you really do only want, say, like little half ends or smaller lashes, longer lashes. They have different styles to cater all your needs. She is based here in Melbourne, as I am, and I'm just really excited that I found an actual magnetic lash that is worth the hype. Super pretty. They feel so comfortable. Editing Jess here. I forgot to film an ending because I was that excited about the lashes apparently. Yeah, I've had them now on for a good few hours. I went grocery shopping, big chores. They haven't popped off. I think there's a couple of pros about these is that you don't have to use the lash glue because if you're allergic to latex or anything in the lash glue with the magnetic liner, you won't have any issues, hopefully. So yeah, I think they work out to be quite cost effective because you can use them 30 to 60 times apparently if you look after your lashes quite well. I'm going to test that out in the future as well to see how easy they are to be cleaned. I actually really like them. I have a discount code that you can use. I think it's Jessica10. I'll link everything down below. This is how they're still looking. Absolutely beautiful. Love how they wear, super comfy and very pretty. Alright, if you guys like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!